Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel! I'm Dewey, your go-to water drop. We're gonna have so much fun exploring together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you soon!
How to make a school project using MS Word on a computer.
So for that, first open MS Word document. Select a blank document. First step, let's create the cover page of the project. For that, go for page layout, select cover page. From among these, you can select any one of the cover page. It looks like this. For this, let's edit the title. I've taken the title as Save Water. Save water. And now let's enter all the contents. Let's increase the font size. You can edit. Change the font color so that it looks colorful. Okay, for any project, the cover page should include all these things. That is project title, that is Save Water, student name Nandini, class or section 7th A, roll number 35, subject computer, school name ABC School, teacher's name Anjali. So the first page is ready. Now let's move on to the next step. We have to present the introduction and conclusion of the topic. As this page is plain, let's put some border for this page. To insert border, go for page layout, select page borders. Here you can select the design if you want thicker, and here you can select the style also. Okay, let's select this one. Color, automatic, whether you want black or blue. Let's select green. And width, how much you want. So let's take 0.5 for whole document. For whole document, no, let's select only for this section. Okay, and then you can see the preview over here. Click on OK. So you can see the border is applied for this page only. Now here, let's write the introduction of the topic. Introduction. Okay, what is the introduction? So let's type the definition or meaning of the topic. So I have written the introduction of the topic, Save Water. Now let's increase the font size of introduction because it should look unique from the explanation, because this shows as a heading, right? So select the font and let's increase, and let's change the color of the font. So introduction, let's put underline, bold, italic. Okay, introduction. Water is one of the most important natural resources on earth. All living things need water to survive. We use water for drinking, cooking, cleaning, farming, and many other activities. However, water is being wasted and polluted in many places. The amount of clean and usable water is limited, so we must use it wisely. Now next, let's write some types, uses of water, and examples of types of water. So for this, let's insert some table so that the explanation will be clear. So to insert the table, go for insert table. Here I need 3 columns and 2 rows. So select, so automatically the table will be inserted to your page. If you want, you can drag it. Okay, now here I want another set of row, So I click on plus mark over here, so I got 3 rows here. Okay, I have entered all the types, uses and examples of water. I've taken only 2 examples, that is types, drinking water, salt water, uses of drinking water, drinking, cooking, uses of salt water, fishing, extracting salt, and example of drinking water is filtered water, and example of salt water is oceans or seas. So let's do a small editing over here. Let's bring it all to the closer because we are having more space. Okay, now let's make the first row text bigger because they are the headings. So let's make it as bigger, italic, underline. I'm not selecting the bold, and let's make it to come in the center of the table. So now it looks like a heading, and let's change the font color. Let's give it as purple. So now it looks like a heading. So types, uses and examples. So all these are clear to explain your project. So lastly, what is the last part of the project? That is conclusion. We have to give the conclusion of the project. Let's type the conclusion of the project. Title say water. Yes, water is one of the most precious resources on earth and all living things need it to survive. We should use water wisely and avoid wasting it. Save water today to secure a better and healthier future for tomorrow. So here also let's make the font size bigger, bold, italic and underline. Change the color of the font so it looks very attractive. So if you want, we are having more space down, so we can increase the font color, font size much more. Let's go down. This one also let's increase. So this is how it looks. Let's check in the print preview. How does it looks? Click on print preview. So you can see how the project looks. It looks very colorful, right? If you take the printout and if you submit, your teacher will definitely give you the good marks. So please try this. So this is the simple way of creating a school project using MS Word on a computer. So in this video, you learned how to increase the font size, how to change the font color, bold, italic, underline, and how to insert the table and enter the text into the table, and how to create a cover page. So I hope so this video is helpful for you all. Please try. How to save your project. If you want to refer the previous project in future, so you need to save the project on your computer. So how to save the project you have created? So to save the project, go for File, click on Save As, select where you want to save your document. I'll be selecting on desktop. Here, enter the file name. I'll be entering as Save Water and click on Save. Now let's check whether the document is saved on desktop. Yes, can you see this? Save water. If I double click on the icon, you will get your project back. So this way we can save the project you have created.
Thanks for watching. Like and share this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for more fun.